All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2017 Ford Mustang. It is the premium Ecoboost package. Beautiful black coupe with black leather interior, premium sound system, stereo controls, backup camera, heated and cooling seats, fog lights, alloy wheels, super freaking nice. Only 36,000 miles on this vehicle, and best of all, minimum damage around the body. Your front bumper looks pretty darn good. Your front hood looks pretty good. Your front fender looks good. Here's your front driver's rim. Very nice LC curbing. Let's check out your tire thread, which is over 730 seconds, actually more like 8. This door looks pretty good. This quarter looks pretty decent. Here's your rear driver's rim. Very nice LC curbing, and your tire thread is just under 730 seconds. We do have a dent here on this quarter. No paint off, less than an inch, but it is there. Here's a nice shot of your roof. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. You got power windows, power door lights, power mirrors. Your front driver's seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Check out your rear passenger seat. Likewise, no holes, no tears, no rips back there. Jump into this vehicle. Turn it on for you guys. It is a push start system. Does come with the 2 key fob combos and owner's manuals. Obviously your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff, that's working. You got your backup camera, boom. AC controls right down below. Boom, heated and cooling seats there. Stereo controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on. And your mileage of 36,827. Looks good. That pretty much completes the tour for in here. Let's open up your trunk. Little button here. Make sure my fog lights are on. They are now. Need some gas, but I'll get some gas for you guys. Not gonna leave you in the lurch. Actually, it doesn't really need gas. It just says that it has more than a quarter tank. Got a little chippy here in the rear quarter. Just check that out. The bus rear bumper looks pretty good. Your deck lid looks pretty decent. Here's your rear trunk space, and what that looks like, pretty big and spacious. There is the spare tire here with some tools. Quarter looks pretty good. Here's your rear passenger rim. Very nice. Does have some curbing, yeah, right here, about an inch and a half. And your tire thread is just under 730 seconds. This door looks pretty decent. Here's the front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Likewise on your rear seats. No holes, no tears, no rips back there. All right. Front fender looks pretty good. Here's your front passenger rim. Very nice. Some curbing. No, it does not. Tire thread is over 730 seconds, around 9. Pretty much completes the tour. Lights are working. Headlights are working. Fog lights look good. Folks, once again, this is a beautiful 2017 Ford Mustang. It is the premium package, the Ecoboost premium package with 36,000 miles. You guys got any questions, concerns? Don't hesitate to ask. Thank you, and happy bidding.